So girls, let's start lesson number 8, equivalent ratios and graphs. So today I will explain you same thing, what we were doing equivalent ratios, but with the graph. Like we'll learn how to put these on the graphs, okay? So turn to page number 255. I repeat, please turn to page number 255.
Okay. Miss, my mother said when are the math quiz going to come
You mean
the math.
Malak? See, yesterday what you get mark, I can say you personal message, I can message you, but that mark will not be given. It will be given your homework, your project, everything we will combine and give you the mark, right?
Okay.
If you want to know only the mark, I will, inshallah, I will let you know, okay? But that mark is not written in the report card. We will add those marks to your, what do you call as, to your, what did I say? Like example, we will add to the
project.
card, the project, the homework, the attendance, everything. Okay. Let us start page number 255. And the first question: a car travels at a rate of 50 miles per hour. Use equivalent ratio to graph the distance the car travels over time. Okay. First of all, you need to know about 50. I'm so sorry. I need to change the color. 50 miles per hour. What is the meaning of unit rate?
One.
Meaning of unit rate for one. Okay, for 1 hour. That's what we are gonna find now. Give me a second here. So for 50 miles, we are finding for 50 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour, 50 miles per hour. And this is for 2 hours. Sorry. This is for 2 hours. So girls, if 1 hour, see, if 1 hour is 50 miles, for 2 hours, how much? You need to multiply, right?
Yeah.
1 hour, it is 100 miles. For 2 hours, sorry, for 1 hour, it is 50 miles. 50 miles for 2, it is 100. For 3, it is 150. See, for 3 times 50. That is 150. For 4 times 50. See, this is 3 times 50. This is 3 times 50. This is 4 times 50. Did you understand what I'm doing?
Yeah, miss.
Yeah.
5 times 50. So I get 250. Write this, girls. Write this.
Yes, something.
1 minute.
So, girls, imagine if I make a plot. Time on the x-axis and distance on the y-axis. For 1 hour, maybe here I put 50, 100, 150, 200. So for 1 hour, 50. For 2 hour, that's something. Like that we are going to do now. Shall I clear this?
Okay, but just here how if we get in the distance and time, if we get not 50 for the distance, we get 40. It will be the same.
Yes, dear. Malak, you just see further. Did you understand till here everything?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. Now, let us first make an order pair. You remember the lesson order pair? You remember the lesson order pair?
Yeah, for the
Yeah. So for the first box, for one it was 100 girls. Let me just make it this up. For one it was 50. If one is on x-axis, the time on x-axis and the y distance. So one is for 50. For two, how much did you get? You have your table. For two, you got 100. For three, you got 150. For four, you got 200. For five, you got 250. Correct? So for one, 50. For two, how much? Let me go up till 100. Vateen, did you get this? See, the second is 200. For two, you got? It is 2 miles. Sorry, when it's 2 hours, you have 100 miles. So make your arrow up till 100. For 3 miles, where will I go till? Sorry, 3 hours. 3 hours, how many miles? For 3 hours.
For 3 miles, you're going to
For
go
3
for
miles, 100.
150.
So take your pen up till 150 and put a point. For 4 miles,
It should be 200.
200.
for 5 miles, it is?
250.
Yeah. So you actually, this is a straight line, but it's okay if you just put what do you call as, you will get a straight line like this. But it's okay even if you just put the dots and keep it like that. Did you understand? Just simple.
Yeah.
Can I go to another question? So for every 1 hour, you have 50 miles. Can I go to another question?
Yeah.
During a heavy rainstorm, the waters of the Blue River, I'm sorry. During a heavy rainstorm, the waters of the Blue River rose a steady rate of 8 hours. Like steady rate means constant rate. The water of the Blue River rose at maybe every 1 centimeter or 1 meter or 1 inch, they say inch. They say here in inches. Every 1 inch, it goes 8 hours. So the graph shows the river increase in height over time. Use the graph to complete the table of equivalent ratios. How many inches did the river rise in 8 hours? Okay. They gave you in the question here that for 3 inches, it is 1 hour. 3 inches, it is 1 hour. Let us bring the relationship, girls.
So it can be like this.
See, they gave you the reading here. Very, very easy, girls. They gave you the reading that for 1 hour, it's the height is 3. So do it here. 1 hour, the height is 3 inches. So for 2 hours,
It would be 6.
yes, very good. Every time you need to multiply with 6. For 4,
And 4, it would be 9.
no. Every time you multiply with 3. See, Yamalak, how do I do it? I'll show you. For 1 hour, 4 inches. For 4 hours, how much? Huh?
So it will be 12.
Sorry, one it's 3. For 4, how much? Yes, it will be 12. Every time you need to multiply with 3. 1 hour, 3 inches. 6 hour, 6 multiplied by 3. Understood? All multiply.
Yeah, miss.
6, 12, 18, 3.
24. Yeah.
Okay, girls? Now,
Yeah, miss.
time we are taking in hours. And height we are taking in inches. Ordered pair is 1, 3, means that after every 1 hour, it rose to 3 inches. Now, for 1, it took 3. For 2, it took 6. For 3,
This is 1.
for 4, it took 12.
Miss,
Yes,
this is 1.
yes, ma'am. For 4, it took 12. For 6, it took 18. For 8, it took 24. That's what the river rose to 24 inches. Okay?
Yeah, okay, Miss.
Join. It's not important for you to join. You know that the word steady means directly we'll go to another page. We are not going to write all those explanations because I don't need to explain you. You understood very well, right? You want me to explain again, Malak? Lean.
Miss Malak left.
Really? Lean is here?
She joined. She joined.
She joined.
Miss, it let me out of the. It's the battery of the
It's
laptop.
okay. But did you understand, Malak?
Yeah, for 2, it will be 6.
Yeah.
So each time we're gonna multiply by 3.
Yeah, if it is 3, it's 9. If it's 4, it's 12. Each time I'll multiply. Can I clear this page?
Yeah.
No. Come on. Guys. Simple question. Share and show. I will do it with you. On your own, you are going to do it now and show me. Complete the table of the equinox for the first 5 years. For the first 5 years, a redwood tree grew at a rate of 4 feet per year. Every year, it grows 4 feet.
4.
4, 8.
It will be 8.
Year, yeah.
12.
4 times 4, 16.
16.
5 it is.
20.
So 1 comma 4, 2 comma 8, 3 comma 12, 4 comma 16, and 5 comma, oh, 1 minute girls. Even my battery, wait a minute. Okay, so 5 and 20.
5 and 20.
Yeah. Let us put here time is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Miss,
And then
I didn't understand this one.
Latin, what is the question? It is 4
4, 4,
feet per
16.
year. See, it's 4 feet per year. So for 1 year, it is 4. For 2 years, see, 1
8.
year, it is 4. For 2 years, 2 times 4. For 3 years, 3 times 4. For 4 years, it is 4 times.
16.
Now you understand?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay. So I'm making the graph. Time 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and maybe height. It's my, I can start with 4, 8, 12, 0, 0, 4,
10.
8,
4.
all multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12,
16.
20,
20. 24. 28.
Enough.
32.
Enough. We need only 2 or 3. For 1, it is 4. For 2, it is 8. For 3, it is 12. For 4, it is
4, it will be 16.
5, it is 20.
Be 20.
Okay, so this is
4,
your
6, 4. 4.
done. Finished?
Yeah,
Yeah.
miss.
I will clear. Now do it on your own, do it by your own, and see if you can do it or not. If not, I will explain one.
Okay, miss.
For
No,
one,
we do it now, miss.
yeah, big numbers. 130.
90.
Every time you will multiply with 30. Every time, because see,
Now we do it, miss.
do it now. Yes, I'm waiting. I will just give you one hint. 1 is for 30. So 2 is for how much? You will multiply this. So 2 also, every time you will multiply, 2 times 3 is 6 and put a 0. Every time you will multiply 30.
I'm just looking for my pen because my pencil broke.
Okay, go and come back. Even answers are given in
Miss,
the
I finished the complete
box.
the table of the. I finished it.
Here, I found the pen.
Miss,
This is 90. Even in the graph,
I finished this one.
very good. For 2, it is 60. For 3, it is 90.
90 and 120 for 4. 120, 150.
So how many miles for unit? For unit means 1.
1.
1 gallon, how many miles? 30.
30.
But they ask you the unit. Unit means you need to write for 1. How can for 5? For 5, how much? Yes, Malak, for 5, how much I got?
For 5, we got 150.
All right.
Each time we add 30.
Yes. Estimate the amount of gas needed to travel 150 miles. A little less than 2 gallons. 50, sorry, they ask you now 50. 50 is between 30 and
30 and 60.
between 30
50 and
and
60.
60. That's why we'll say a little less than 2 gallons. We'll say a little,
Miss, I can write it actually.
a little less than.
Miss, do you want me to write it?
No, it's okay. Than 2 gallons. Do you like to write it?
No problem.
A little gallons. Finish?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lean? Where are you, Lean? You don't even say hi and hello. Where is this? Did you understand, Lean? Yeah, alhamdulillah. Okay, let us come here because we have time. We will do this page also. The graph shows the depth of submarine over time using equation ratio to find the number of. Okay, see,
Then,
show you for 1 it's 200.
yeah.
Every time you're multiplying with 200. For 2 it's 400. 3 it's 600. 4 800. 5 1000. 6 1200. So just let us check with 7. Every time I'm multiplying with 200. 7 I get 1400. For 8 I get 1600. So that's what they asked you. For how many, from how many minutes we get 1600. So the answer is 8 minutes. 12 minutes. 6 it is. Every time I'm multiplying with 2. So when should I get 16? 200 to what? See, 200 multiplied by what will give me 16?
200 multiplied by
8. Because 8 times 2 is 16. That's why my answer is 8 minutes. Or simple, you can directly divide. Simple, you can directly divide 600 by 200. Why 200? Because every time I'm multiplying 200. Finish?
Done.
Okay. Next question. The graph shows the distance plane flying at steady rate travels over time.
And this one, we each time we like
For the
plus 7.
see, they want for 13 minutes. So for 1 minute, see, for 1 minute, it is how much? 1 minute is
7.
7 miles. It is 7. So for 13 minutes, how much? So you will
For
multiply.
13 minutes. 1, 2.
Am I correct?
Okay. 13.
It is 91 miles. I hope this is easy for
We
you.
multiply them, right?
See, for 1 minute, 7 miles. Because it is given here. Can you see here?
Yeah, miss.
It's given 1 minute is 7 miles. So 1 minute is 7 miles. 13 minutes, how much? I will multiply. Got it? Understood, girls?
Yeah.
Bati,
Yeah, miss.
got it? Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it for the class. We finished it very